I love arrow functions just as much as the next guy, but can we please stop overusing them and stop making this super common mistake with them? So here I have a person object with a name of Connor, as well as a greet function. And this function is an arrow function, and all it does is say console.log, hello, my name is, and then this.name that we call person.greet. But if I run this, you'll see we actually get an error. Cannot read property of undefined, reading name. And the problem here is that this is undefined. And the reason for that is that we're using an arrow function, and arrow functions do not create their own this binding. So for example, on an object, we cannot actually reference the same object. So the way we can solve this is very simple. Just use the syntax that was actually made for this, and that is the method syntax. So I'm going to get rid of this arrow here, and then we'll simply have greet like this. And now greet is a method on this person, and this is going to exist. So I can run this again, and we get hello, my name is Connor. So the point here is not to never use arrow functions. I use them all the time, but just use them properly. I think they're great for things like callbacks. So for example, a for each loop, you probably want to pass in an arrow function. However, things like the top level of objects, and honestly, even top level functions, I don't really like using arrow functions mainly for this reason.